Cybertruck easily pulls out a full F350 with a 30-foot fifth wheel trailer in the sugar sand at the Glam's Imperial Sand Dunes area in California. The F350 was stuck deep in loose sugar sand. A Ford F150 tried to pull it out of the sand, but it failed badly. The F150 driver failed despite spinning tires and effort, as it can't generate enough traction or torque to extract it. It just digs itself in deeper without moving the stuck vehicle much. This is classic in loose sand. Wheels spin freely, no grip. Then they connect the Cybertruck to the stuck F350 combo using a tow strap. The Cybertruck driver applies power steadily. Thanks to its instant electric torque, excellent weight distribution, and, most importantly, the very wide contact patch of its stock all-terrain tires. Controlled power without wheel hop or sudden jerking. It steadily walks the heavy load out.